I'm Hiren Shah, the Honorary Secretary of IRMA. I'm quite delighted to welcome you all on behalf of our Managing Committee in this AGM. It's a different setting altogether this time than what we normally conduct. The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted the conventional ambience. We would have loved to see you all in physical. But due to social distancing rules, we could accommodate only 50 members in physical. However, rest of our members are joined via a YouTube live link. This pandemic, along with the surging RM prices and ever-increasing freights, do demotivate us. But friends, हार हो जाती है जब हम मान लेते हैं, जीतता है जिसमें जान होती है. So friends, in these testing times, let's keep our spirits high. Now I would request Chhalawala Sahab to come on the dais.
Good evening, everybody. My colleague on the dais, Vice President Mr. Mahadevan, Honorary Secretary Mr. Hiren Shah, and Honorary Treasurer Mr. Aditya Chandrachud, all the past presidents and my managing committee members and all IRMA members. I welcome you all to the IRMA 26th AGM. Today, we have some special guests. We have Mr. Rotarian Gadkari and Dr. Shenoy attending the AGM. I would like to welcome them also. This is my last address today as a president of the IRMA after completing 2 years. I was happy in working with our team. I had a very good interaction with the past presidents and the managing committee. I have tried to put in my best effort in IRMA within my ability and the capabilities. But due to the pandemic, we could not have a physical meeting as we usually have. However, we would organize the webinar, general body meeting, and AGM during the peak pandemic period. On 28th August 20, we had a virtual general body meeting, and we had invited Dr. Dennis Heymans of Axin Research. About 120 members have attended this program, and members have associated the program. I especially thank Dr. Parag Rao for organizing such a lectures. On 30th October 2020, we had our AGM, and we had invited a very good speaker, Mr. Rajesh Kamat. It was a very good lecture, why Indians need to learn leadership in Indian way. And that also members received well, and I thanks to arrange this lecture by Mr. Siddharth Bhai. On 16th April 2021, we had our general body meeting. We had invited Dr. Ms. Smita Birkar, and she has given a very good lecture for the subject was opt one and need of ours. It was also well received by the members and was organized by, again, the Dr. Parag. I wish the incoming president and the entire team best luck and look forward to work with them closely in the capacity of as an immediate past president. Lastly, I would like to thank my immediate past president, Mr. Siddharth Shah, to support me and guidance me in the every meeting. And I also thanks for Executive Secretary, Mr. Kanan, for the support and the completing the task on time. Thanking you.
I request our Vice President, Mr. Mahadevan, to hand over floral bouquet to Chhalawala sir. I think the requisite quorum is present. Therefore, I declare the meeting open. I am sure you all must have received the notice along with the annual report for the year 2020-2021 and therefore take the same as read. Item number 1 of the notice to read, approve and sign the minutes of the last AGM that was held on 30th of October 2020. The minutes of the AGM held have been circulated to the members as part of the annual report, and I take the liberty of considering the same as read. Now I propose the following. Resolved that the minutes of the last AGM held on 30th of October 2020 are hereby read, approved and signed. I would like to know the name of the person who would second it. DG sir. Item number 2, to receive and adopt the report of the managing committee together with the statement of the audited accounts for the year ended 31st of March 2021. Now I propose the following. Resolved that the audited balance sheet as on 31st of March 2021 and the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st of March 2021 and the report of the managing committee thereon be and are hereby received, considered and adopted. I would like to know the name of the person who would like to second it. I am proposing it. Okay. Okay. So name. Okay. Siddharth bhai. Now I take item number 3 of the notice, that is to appoint the auditors for the year 2021-22 and fix their remunerations. In view of the term of office of our auditor, Mrs. Sakhalkar and Associates, ending at the end of this ensuing AGM, I propose that Ms. Sakhalkar and Associates, having offered themselves for appointment as auditor for the year 2021-22, be appointed as auditor of the association to hold office till the conclusion of the next AGM. For this, resolved that the retiring auditor, Mrs. Sakhalkar and Associate, be and are hereby reappointed as the auditor of the association to hold office till the conclusion of the next AGM on a remuneration to be decided mutually between the said auditor and the managing committee of the association. I now put this to vote and item number 4. Now I take the item number 4 of the notice, that is election of the managing committee for the year 2021-22 and 22-23. We have received 6 nominations from the following with the post mentioned therein. Mr. S. Mahadevan is the president from Metcon Coatings and Chemicals. Myself, Hiren Shah, as the vice president from Beta Paint Industries. Mr. Aditya Chandrachud as the honorary secretary from Borocris. Mr. Ashish Shinde, the treasurer from Croda Company. Dr. B. Venkatraman as the member from Grasim Industries Limited. Mr. Vikrant Bajaria as a member from Provic Industries. As and for the management committee members, and in view of the fact that there is no contest for the various office bearers posts as well as for the managing committee, there is no need of voting. For this purpose, the following resolution. Resolved for the various office bearers posts and managing committee members, the following are the elected office bearers of IRMA for the year 21-22 and 22-23. Mr. S. Mahadevan as our president, myself, Hiren Shah as the vice president. Thank you. Mr. Aditya Chandrachud as the Honorary Secretary. Mr. Ashish Shinde as the Treasurer. Please stand up. Dr. B. Venkatraman as a member from Grasim Industries. Mr. Vikrant Bajaria as a member. The immediate past president, Mr. Challawala, will continue to be a committee member. Hence, we need 2 more members for our committee. If anybody would like to join, please give the names. Otherwise, we will select 2 committee members from the list of IRMA members. Now I take item number 5 of the agenda to transact such other business as may be brought by any members after due notice and or with the permission of the chair. Since there are no further issues to be discussed, I request President M.N. Challawala to announce the name of the new committee and invite them to come on the stage.
I take my privilege to announce the name of the next committee as a President, Mr. S. Mahadevan.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Hiren Shah as a Vice President. Mr. Aditya Chandrachud as an Honorary Secretary. Mr. Ashish Shinde as a Treasurer. Welcome. Dr. B. Venkatraman of the Grasims Limited. And Mr. Vikrant Bajaria. I wish them a good luck and
Yes. Thank you.
Now I request Aditya to take over.
Good evening, everybody. I thank you all, firstly, for giving this opportunity to me to be in this capacity of Honorary Secretary. My friend Hiren has done a fantastic job and has really set high standards, not only for me, but for all the members who are going to join in this capacity of Honorary Secretary. Firstly, I congratulate incoming President, Shri Mahadevan ji. Yeah, and I invite him to say a few words.
Good evening and namaskar. Immediate past President Sri M.N. Challawala ji, my colleagues on the dais, all the past presidents, distinguished guests, and fellow IRMA members. It's an honor for me to have been elected as President of IRMA. I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you present for placing your confidence in me, and it's my privilege to serve as your president. I thank you all for encouraging me to take on leadership role and those who have guided and supported me all through. Also, I cherish the wonderful friendships made in this organization. I'm reminded of a powerful quote. Your thinking creates your world, your performance causes your impact, and your devotion to learning shapes the depth of your legacy. As always, we continue to learn and excel. This will be the key mantra going forward. At this moment, I would like to thank our outgoing President, Sri M.N. Challawala ji, who has been a visionary and led us by example in the past 2 years, despite being surrounded by uncertainties due to pandemic. Let us give him a huge round of applause for all the work that he's done. Thank you, sir. And together with the strong support of the new executive team, Mr. Hiren Shah of Beta Paints as our Vice President, Mr. Aditya Chandrachud of Boracris as our Secretary, Mr. Ashish Shinde from Croda India Private Limited as our Treasurer, and the Managing Committee members, Mr. M.N. Challawala as our immediate past President, Mr. Vikram Bajaria from Provic Industries, Dr. B. Venkatraman, Global Head Sales and Marketing, Advanced Materials Division, Grasim Industries. We strive to make a difference. My main goal this year is to encourage the memberships to make a difference. I want to be someone who gives back, someone who inspires our members to be more involved and to take on leadership roles. For those of you who are already leaders, reach out, encourage, and mentor those who have a passion to move ahead. Our experienced past presidents will be our leading lights to guide us, and their support in all our sphere of activities will be invaluable. Going forward, I am pleased to share with you all our tentative program calendar for the next 2 years. This will, however, be subject to we getting the necessary government permission in wake of the pandemic, and we sincerely pray that yes, we should be having more and more of physical events as we move further. To kickstart, we intend to have a workshop in December 2021, followed by a general body meeting in the month of March 2022. This will be followed by a residential seminar in June 2022 at Daman or Silvassa, followed by our AGM in September 2022. We also would like to have a one-day exhaustive seminar in Mumbai sometime during December 2022, with a second workshop in March 2023 coinciding with the general body meeting. A second residential seminar in June 2023 is something which is very close to our hearts, because this is something which we want to make it a huge and a grand success. Another important thing which we would like to do is participation in various coating shows and take a delegation of IRMA members to maybe a ECS or China Coat or Dubai coating show with the help of a suitable travel agency. Also, we would like to have a rekindle the IRMA newsletter with Mr. Manish Khandekar as its editor. So this will be a quarterly. And I would appreciate with news articles from all members, and let us try to make it more lively, wherein it has a reach across everybody. One of the key tasks will be to appoint a task force from the managing committee members, along with the past presidents, to push for memberships, reach out to people, try to get more and more people involved in the organization, try to get people interested to be a part of the team, and create a future team which ensures that, yes, we are able to go further. Another important thing which is very close to my heart is arrange visits to various units and laboratories for the benefit of the members, so that people are able to learn, people are able to adapt certain safety measures, and people are able to, improve their working style, because this is going to be one of the key requirements as we move forward. Lastly, I would like to once again thank all of you for the confidence reposed in me and my team, and we definitely look forward to your continuous support going forward to make IRMA reach out to newer heights. Thank you very much, and requesting everybody to be safe, and God bless us all. Thank you very much.
It has been a tough 2 years. Our President Chellawala Sahab has done a great job, and it was really testing times to run an association. I would request the new President Mahadevanji to present a memento to our past President, immediate past President Chellawala Sahab. वो कहते हैं कि एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एक इंसान एक पानी के बूंद के बराबर होता है और पूरी टीम एक समंदर, लेकिन उस समंदर का तट हमारे पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट्स है. एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट प्रेसिडेंट महादेवन जी टू ऑनर आवर पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट्स विथ फ्लोरल बुके. I invite past President Shri Dhananjay Sathe.
Thank you, sir.
Past President Shri DG Parekh Saab.
Thank you, sir.
Past President Ashok Mehta ji is not here. Vicky Kapoor Saab is, I think, also not here. Past President Shri Ballal Chandrachud. Past President Shri Ashok Goklani ji.
Thank you, sir.
Past President Dr. Prashant Saib.
I remember yesterday's quote in Ink Association with that lady said, no, तालियों पे कोई GST नहीं है.
Thank you very much.
Past President Shri Bhupendra Bhai Sakaria. Hi, welcome.
Welcome, sir.
Past President Shri Siddharth Bhai Shah.
Immediate to work pass.
Yeah, Hiren. So I also call upon Past President Ashok Mehta ji. Sir, आप तो immediate past president है, अभी तक past president नहीं. Yeah, little felicitation. Sir, जो late आए उन्हीं को मिल रहा है. नहीं, we just felicitated all the past presidents, so we missed you at that time.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. I now request Ashish Shinde ji to propose a vote of thanks for the AGM so that we can further move on into our next interesting session of our guest speaker, Rotarian Shri Jhankar Gadkari ji, who has graced our gathering by his presence today. So Ashish, on to you.
Thank you, Aditya. Good evening, everyone. I think it is my pleasure to propose the vote of thanks, and it's very nice to do it in person rather than on a screen. So thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you, Manish. Yeah. So vote of thanks for our distinguished guests, Dr. Shenoy, Rotarian Sri Jhankar Gadkari, Mr. Dilip Raghavan, Mr. Radhakrishnan. Thank you very much for taking out time and making it to the AGM. Thank you to all our respected members for coming out and making this a success. I mean, unfortunately, we had to limit it to a number for safety reasons, and hopefully going forward we should see more numbers. A big vote of thanks to Shri Chellawala Saab, our outgoing president, all our past presidents, the organizing committee for doing a fantastic job. I know it's been, it has taken some time to get here, so well done, team. And to the organizers of the Chembur Gymkhana for providing such a wonderful venue, and Mr. Ramadas and team for the excellent communication. I'm sure there's live going out to all the members. So great. So it's not only in person but also virtually. So and of course Mr. Kannan, who in spite of all the challenges has been working behind and ensuring that all this becomes a very grand success. Thank you, Mr. Kannan.
Okay, now I welcome our guest speaker, Rotarian Shri Jhankar Gadkari ji, for a presentation on a very interesting topic, Meri Delhi, for our IRMA members. I request President Mahadevan ji to welcome Rotarian Shri Jhankar Gadkari ji with a floral bouquet.
So welcome, sir. It's a pleasure to have you with us. Thank you very much.
We have 3 special invitees as well. So I would request President Mahadevan ji to honor our guest, Dr. Shenoy. Mukund Hulyalkar sahib. Is he here? Yes. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Yes, sir. Welcome. Thank you very much.
Dilip Raghavan. Thank you all for gracing our gathering today.